In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayMaya to GCash. While there isn't a direct way to link or connect these two wallets inside the apps, you can still move money from GCash to your Maya account quickly and safely using the built-in transfer feature. I'll walk you through exactly how to do it and share a few tips so you avoid common mistakes. Start by opening your GCash app and going to the transfer section on the home screen. This is where GCash lets you send money out to banks and partner wallets. Once you're in transfer, choose local bank. Don't worry about the wording. This is simply the list of supported institutions, including e-wallets. Scroll through the options or use the search bar if it's available and look for Maya. It may appear as Maya, and that's the one you want to select. After you tap Maya, you'll see a simple form. Enter the amount you want to send. Next, fill in the account name. This should match the full name registered on the receiving Maya account to help ensure the transfer is recognized properly. Then enter the account number associated with that Maya account. Take your time here. A single incorrect digit can route your money to the wrong place or cause the transfer to fail. If you're unsure about the exact details, check them inside the Maya app before proceeding. Before you hit send, pause for a quick review. Make sure the amount is correct, the account name is accurate, and the account number is exactly as intended. This is the best way to avoid delays or irreversible errors. When everything looks good, tap Send to process the transfer. After you send, you'll typically see a confirmation screen from GCash with a reference number. Keep that reference handy until the funds show up in your Maya account. In many cases, transfers post quickly, but timing can vary based on network conditions and provider processing. Fees and limits may apply, so it's a good idea to be aware of any daily caps or charges before moving a large amount. If you don't see Maya listed, try scrolling through the full list or using the search field. Make sure your GCash app is updated and ensure you have a stable internet connection and sufficient balance. If a transfer fails, review the details and try again. And that's it. Even though there's no direct connect button, using transfer, selecting local bank, choosing Maya, entering the amount, account name, and account number, and tapping send is all you need to move money from GCash to your Maya wallet smoothly.